How many of you want to be able to make a bigger impact in your community, have patients talk about you, and have the profitability that you desire? Inside of this video, I'm going to share with you how to do exactly that. I'm Dr. Anissa Holmes, the founder of Delivering Well Dental Education, and inside of this channel, every single week, we're sharing tips and strategies to grow your practice faster. So a few years ago, as many of you guys know, I made a decision to create an online education platform to help doctors and teams to be able to get training on the business side of dentistry, on scheduling, on insurance, on creating better systems. So I said to myself, most doctors should be able to invest at least $300 for training for their teams. And so once I started to develop that program, I asked myself, what could we provide that would be incredibly valuable to doctors and teams for $300 a month? We would have recorded training tracks where doctors can get in and learn. We'd have resources. We would have special discounts. We'd have the ability for doctors to be able to learn how to better market their practices. And at the same time, I was saying, what is it that I can't do because they're only paying $300? I probably can't do one-on-one calls. I probably can't bring in accountability coaches. I probably can't have specialty expert coaches that are actually training the doctors and teams, answering their questions for only $300 a month. And so as I started to think about that, I actually realized that I had it all wrong. Instead of thinking about what is the least amount or the most amount that I could provide for only $300, I said, take the cost out. What do people need? Because the fact is that nobody really wants coaching. No one really wants to watch videos or have a coach or have training or go to CEs. No one really wants that. And so I asked myself, what would help people get not only results, but what could we do? What program could we build to get the results faster? And from there, I started to say, well, in my inner circle, they could get there faster if they had the ability to message me every single day, if they were able to come into my home and do deep dive training. In our platinum program, if we were able to have accountability coaches holding their hands and have expert coaches that were helping every single member of the team, if we were training the office managers for the doctors, if I was on a strategy call helping the doctor from the very beginning in every single quarter, what would that look like? And so that was a program that I decided to create. And so I asked myself, because I am a practice owner, if I wanted to get there faster, what would I want? And now the next question was, how will we price this program based on our expenses, based on all of the things that we are providing so people can actually get the result faster? And so the interesting thing is that when we built that program, we started to see doctors getting results faster, having their office managers take things off of their plates, having their teams step up as leaders because they had the knowledge and training, seeing practices grow by $1 million plus in 1 year. And so as you're thinking about your own business, your own practice, I'm challenging you to think a little bit differently, thinking about what is it that we're actually providing for our patients. If it is to help them become healthier, what is the treatment plan that we actually need to be able to provide for them so that they can get healthier faster? And once you take on this mindset to ask yourself, how can I get my patient healthier faster? How can I remove their shame or make them feel loved again because we're beautifying their smile? You can no longer say to yourself, I'm just going to do that filling instead of that crown because it's cheapest. Your mindset starts to shift to think about what's actually most important. Because guys, we're healers and that's our job. So today I'm challenging you to think a little bit differently, talk to your teams about this concept, and come back and share in the comments the results of those conversations. I'm Dr. Anissa Holmes. Thanks for listening. If you love this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of future episodes, and I'll see you soon.